Hello everyone. Yesterday, Maharashtra's assembly election completed. So in this video, first let's discuss those in detail, like how it will influence the Indian market, and then we can discuss our regular pre-market report for today, 21st November 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. As we know, Maharashtra is the largest economic state in India and Mumbai is the financial hub. So to some extent, the political condition of the state directly dictates the economy. So I believe it's important to understand the political scenario there. If required, please pause and have a look. This is the exit poll result summary of the mainstream national media. As we see here, almost all of them giving some edge to BJP alliance than that for the Congress alliance. Like little bit more number of seats above majority than that it's required for forming the government. From the market perspective, I believe they also want BJP to come back into the power. So the exit poll results favors the market and considered as positive. Hence, we can expect some level of short covering either today or tomorrow. I personally feel it will happen tomorrow, but there is a very high probability it may happen opposite. Please remember, it's just my opinion. I can be completely wrong. And also one more thing, similar to this, 4-5 months ago in the general election, almost all the mainstream media mentioned that Modi government will come back with the absolute majority kind, but in reality, in actual, they lost the majority. And also in the present India scenario, especially in Maharashtra, when 6 fraction of political parties contesting against each other, it's very complex for exit polls to predict accurately. So market may not react much for the exit poll results today. Rather, after the weekly expiry, tomorrow there is a high chance market might react for this. Just for info, the actual election results will be announcing on coming Saturday. And there were a couple of Maharashtra local news channels mentioning that they are expecting a hung assembly. If it happens, I believe then it's an advantage to BJP alliance. This is what my opinion. I'm not supporting any political party, but I think this is what will pan out. I mean, for Congress alliance to form a stable government, I think they need 10 to 15 seats extra than above majority. But for BJP alliance, even if they win just 130 seats plus 15 seats below majority means, then also through horse trading, I think they only will form the government, not the Congress alliance. Anyway, all we will know the answer on coming Saturday. So the takeaway is, ideally today Indian market has to react for Maharashtra's election, but because of poor exit poll results history, I don't think market will react. Again, I can be completely wrong. Please don't make any investment decision based on this. Now coming to US market, on Tuesday night S&P 500 and Nasdaq increased 0.5 to 1% and yesterday night it closed more of a flat. Then in the after US market close, Nvidia released their quarterly results and they did beat the analyst estimation. However, profit booking made the Nvidia stock price in the aftermarket hours down by 1.5%. So global momentum wise, it is good. Hence, in line with that, early morning today, GIFT Nifty increased and closed at 23,659. Equating it with the spot market, it's indicating the gap up opening of 120 to 150 points. Then regarding Indian ADR, last night only ICICI Bank closed negative, all others closed positive. In fact, both the IT stocks increased above 1%. Hence, if we calculate the arbitrage, both banks indicating flat to positive indication. However, if you see the IT stocks, it's indicating around 2% positive. In addition, Reliance GDR closed negative, but the arbitrage showing flat to positive. About oil, it trades more or less same as last 2 days. At the time of this video, WTI crude trading around $69 per barrel and Brent crude traded at $73 per barrel. As a summary, US market closed positive, Nvidia results also good. In line with that, GIFT Nifty and Indian ADR all indicating a gap up opening of 120 to 150 points. But please be cautious. As I said, market might react for this exit poll results. And also for the 35th session in the cash market, Tuesday, FII was net sellers. The net sold for 3,400 crore rupees and DA net bought for near 2,800 crore rupees. So unless FII stops the selling, it will be difficult for the Indian market to bring back the positive momentum. Anyway, moving on. As per stock open interest, Mahanagar Gas, SBI Life, Bharti Airtel, NMDC, Bajaj Finserv and Apollo Hospital got an increase in open interest along with a negative close indicates the short build-up. On the other hand, Coforge, Sun Pharma, Eicher Motors, Federal Bank, Tech Mahindra and Bharat Forge got an increased open interest with a positive price close, indicating the long build-up. About the things to look out, there is nothing that I'm aware of for during our market hours, but in the aftermarket hours for US, weekly jobs data, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index and existing home sales data are some of the items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, last Tuesday, Nifty opened 80 points gap up and climbed towards the key resistance 23,800. However, the final hour profit booking pushed it down and again closed near 23,500. Thus, on the daily chart, Nifty formed a gravestone doji candlestick pattern with long upper shadow. Here, this long upper shadow is an indication of sellers coming back at the higher level, which is considered as a bearish pattern. And Nifty was near the lower of the Bollinger Band, and for the third day in a row, it closed below 200-day exponential moving average with above average volume. In addition, RSI and MACD momentum indicators all on the negative side. But on one positive note, Nifty managed to negate the lower high lower low formation which it formed before last 4 sessions. Hence, as an overall, Nifty managed to hold above its recent low, indicating a potential bullish reversal as long as it does not breach the 23,350 level. Conversely, if it sustains above 23,500 level, it could move towards 23,700 to 23,800 zone. Then, in case of Bank Nifty, it opened a 220 points gap up and continued to perform better than Nifty. It touched the 10-day exponential moving average 50,946 during the day, but failed to sustain there and closed at around 50,630. Thus, on the daily chart, Bank Nifty formed a doji-like candlestick pattern, indicating indecisiveness among buyers and sellers. In contrast to Nifty, Bank Nifty sustained above 200 exponential moving average 49,900 for the 4th session with a higher high higher low formation, but it was range bound within the last week Wednesday trading range 54,340 to 49,900. Additionally, it reached the upward sloping trend line with RSI and MACD momentum indicators in sell mode. Hence, on the lower side, 200-day exponential moving average 49,800 to 49,700 expects to be a strong support, and on the upside, 50,800 to 50,900 shall act as an immediate hurdle zone from short-term perspective. Regarding the weekly options data, the maximum call option open interest was at 24,000 strike, followed by 24,500 and 23,800, with maximum new call option writing at 24,300 strike, followed by 24,100 and 24,200. On the put side, the maximum open interest was at 23,000 strike, followed by 22,500 and 22,000, with maximum new put option writing at 23,700 strike, followed by 22,900 and 23,100. Thus, from options data, Nifty might remain in the range of 23,000 to 24,000 in the short term. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video so that it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any invitation based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.